goes up there. There's two of them.
Okay.
And, yeah.
No, I mean, are these attached?
No, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh, they go in sections like
It's
that?
a whole solid section. You
Oh,
gotta
I didn't
ship.
know that. That's really
yeah.
interesting.
Yeah, so they're already attached. That's why it weighs so much.
Oh.
Yeah, and then here's the strip you hook the next section to. It's just this size.
So, are you gonna make it closer? What are you gonna do here? Put tile there?
No, Alice. I told you, putting this right there. It's going up the wall, the height of the glass block, just like that. Look.
I know, but what are you gonna fill in here?
This is really challenging sometimes. Look at that and tell me what do you think I'm going to fill it in with. Look at that width of that thing and you tell me what you
You're
think.
gonna fill it in with marble?
It's going to be that piece just like that.
Okay.
It's going to go all the way up there
Okay.
to the height of the glass.
Alright.
Then it's going to have a wood frame that comes around and down.
What happens to that part?
It's tiled.
Oh, okay, good.
It's tiled over, just like that part right over there.
Okay.
That's what it'll look like, you know? Oh, I think that's really about spot on, okay. And it's 1 inch from the end. 1 inch. Okay, good. Alright, now. What we have to do is let's glue it. It's grab this end of it. Okay.
So you put a piece of wood on the front of it?
Yeah, I'm gonna support the whole thing with wood. Okay, thank you.